Sugar used to mean happiness, celebrations, energy, and sweet memories. But do you know what? Recently, sugar is killing many people than war in most countries. Are you aware of the amount of sugar you have to take daily as a person? I guess no. This is what this video is about. Not only this, in this video, I also talk about how sugar tricks your body. Every few seconds, someone is diagnosed of diabetes, and most of them never saw it coming. You could be part of them, right? Not only that, getting to the end of this video, I'll let you know how sugar is damaging your body, cutting your life short, and how companies are making millions of dollars out of the damage. So stay tuned and make sure to watch this video to the end. This is the Lab Doctors channel. Please kindly hit on the subscribe button, like our videos, share, and comment. Do not also forget to hit on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be notified. Sugar is no longer sweet. Sugar used to be rich people's food, but the poor jumped into it. Whilst the rich and developed countries are running away from sugar, the poor and developing countries are embracing it. The twist. So, why are the rich and developed countries running away from sugar? What is it that they are not telling you? Don't worry, you would find it out in this video. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. You know, there are some diseases that used to be categorized as rich man disease, but the narrative has changed. Why? Diabetes is no more a rich man disease. It is found everywhere. Developed countries and the developing countries is getting worse every day. Did you know that diabetes is spreading fast in Africa, Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America? And the funny part is, these people do not look sick, they don't even know they are at risk, they don't even eat too much sugar. But each and every day, hospitals are filing up, amputations are increasing, and young people are being diagnosed of diabetes than ever. And the world is still underestimating the danger of sugar. How is the world doing that? Don't worry, stick around, you'll find out. Right now, millions of people are diagnosed of diabetes globally, and millions of people are still undiagnosed. Type 2 diabetes, which used to be preventable, is now exploding everywhere. What are we doing wrong, and what aren't we doing it right? Recently, sugar has quietly entered everything, from the bread we eat to the drinks on the market. Talking of sauce, yes, sauce, healthy snacks, as we call it, and even baby food, cereals. This is how far sugar has gone with us. It is found everywhere, almost in every food. You are not just eating sugar, you are joining with sugar. Now, let's talk about how sugar tricks your body. If you are a lover of sugar, please come around. Let's talk about what sugar does to your body. You see, when you eat sugar, sugar does not immediately attack your body, but rather it seduces your body. It first gives you energy, then cravings, then insulin resistance. And that is where the problem starts. And that is where the problem is. Over time, your pancreas becomes exhausted. Your blood sugar stays higher. Then your nerves, your kidney, your eyes, and other organs begins to fail. Sugar seduces you gradually and takes you to your grave. And the most scariest part, the damage can be caused before symptoms start to appear. Sugar is no longer sweet. It is right now our culture, our food system, and our policies. It is only awareness, just as I'm doing, that can change a lot of things. So my big question here is, are you eating sugar, or sugar is rather eating you? This brings us to the global diversity of sugar intake. Diabetes doesn't affect every community the same. To the poor, it is food. It gives them energy. In the developing or low-income countries, most people can afford testing. In there, sugar is energy, sugar is food. Whilst in urban cities or developed countries, processed food appear cheaper than healthy food. The twist: in developing countries, cultural diets are changing faster. Traditional meals are being replaced by sugar import products. And this is happening rapidly in developing countries. Whilst in developed countries, they have put in place some measures to curtail sugar intake, like increasing taxes and also introducing weight loss products such as Ozempic. And all these measures by the developed countries is to help curtail or curb sugar intake by its citizens. So the big question here is it that the leaders of developing countries, together with its Ministry of Health, is not aware of the damage sugar can cause the health of its citizens? Or they are just interested in the monies they gain from these companies? Can it be compared to the amount of money the government will spend on each citizens when they start experiencing the damage or the deadly effect of sugar? Someone will ask, how does high taxes on companies that produce sugary products affect or curtail the damage of sugar? Wait. High taxes put on companies that produces sugar products in developed countries pushes these companies to either reduce the content or the amount of sugar in their product. So it literally means that when you have high amount of sugar in your product, your tax will go way higher. And if the sugar content is less, your tax is reduced. So this is one means developed countries are using to curtail and curb the fast-growing sugary industry in their countries. And then again, the introduction of weight loss products such as Ozempic helps reduce the appetite or the cravings of sugar and carbohydrate. In doing that, people that patronize or are interested in weight loss at the end of the day do not go in for sugary products because there is no even cravings or appetite for sugary products and carbohydrates. This brings us to the amount of sugar you have to take every day as a healthy person. But unbeknownst to a lot of countries, they are abusing it. Their citizens or individuals are abusing it, and Americans are not left out. Are you aware that Americans consume 120 grams of sugar every single day, whilst World Health Organization recommend the intake of 50 grams of sugar by a single person? This literally means that Americans are consuming times 2 and more of what World Health Organization recommend, and that is very dangerous. The reason there's a lot of weight gain issues, diabetes, and its associated dangers. Whilst the rich and developed countries are running away from sugar because they have tasted and witnessed the danger of sugar, the poor and developing countries are embracing sugary products. And I hope they are fasten and tighten their belt for the dangers associated with sugar. No wonder recently there is an uproar of diabetes in developing countries. Sugar does not just steal your health, it steals your money, your time, and your dreams. Family sells properties, people close their job because of the effect of sugar. I ask again, are you eating sugar or sugar is rather eating you? If this video has opened your eyes or is helpful, kindly like our videos, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be notified. This is the Lab Doctors channel. Till we meet again.